Hey guys, MrWaheedulHaque here, back with another video. Sorry, dying. Let me just have a sip. Oh, okay. Today we're gonna unbox it. Oh my god. Give me 1 second, guys. Alright, guys, I'm back. Hopefully, I'm okay. Inshallah. Alright. Today we're gonna be unboxing the McKenzie Essential Overhead Hoodie. Easy or Hoodie Burger King red. Okay, so this is the Burger King red. Got it in small size. The PLU is that code. I don't know what that is. Style is McKenzie Kitty Mane Hoodie, and okay, it's £40, but I got it for 20. JD sale, you know. I don't really shop at JD, so this is a good deal. We can't ever turn down a good deal, can you guys? S Hoodie Burger King red. So Burger King red, guys, £40. Oh, they got another sticker there. So one thing is, I bought these Puma pants. If you don't watch the unboxing for that on the last video, go check it out. But they're pretty much, I think they're the exact same color match, to be honest. We'll find out right now, but it looks pretty close, pretty damn similar. So that's a coincidence and very good if it works out. Means I can color match, I guess. Wear some white shoes with it or something, I don't know. Okay, let's see. Oh my goodness, why is it so sticky? There you go. What the hell is that? Don't tell me that's the stitching. Okay, that's okay. Alright guys, let me. Still got 2 more clothing items to go, which will be in the next few videos, so keep an eye out for them. Alright. £40 small size. Alright. I actually think they are very close color match. Very close. There's a slight difference which you can't notice. You actually can't notice it unless you're looking at it this close and with the light. So yeah, it's a perfect color match for me. I think I'm happy with that. I'm really happy with that. It worked out somehow. I don't know how, but yeah. So this, honestly guys, these are the best joggers I've ever worn in my life. But yeah, that's not this video. Go check them out anyway. But yeah. Alright, we got the McKenzie hoodie. What the hell is this? So it's not a non-zip one, it's one of them over the head ones, so you have to push over your head. Small. This one's made in Pakistan. The top was made in India. So yeah, the outsourcing everything, so it's cheaper for them. Probably not paying the workers the right amount, but it is what it is, I guess. Not much we can do about it. Because corruption, you know, corruption. But end of the day, if they're providing jobs, people, food in their mouth, it's okay, I guess, in a sense. Okay, so we got this here. It's quite soft actually, it's not too bad. The McKenzie logo there. All the stitching's hidden, which is really good. I like that. They didn't, yeah, pretty much all the stitching's pretty hidden. So yeah. Okay, you got tapered off hands here, so that's where your hand would go. Let me have a look at the drawstrings. What the hell? You got massive plastic dildo at the end. Alright. I got 2 of them actually. Someone's gonna have fun tonight. Not me, what you know. Okay, that's not very soft. This part is, but I don't know what they're doing there. I think they cheaped out there, but yeah. I'm gonna go ahead and put this on now, so you can have a look what it looks like. I'm gonna put the camera on the tripod, which I finally got back after a while, but yeah. Alright guys, give me 1 second. Alright, so after wearing it, it's a bit tight, so maybe I should have got a medium, but it's not too bad. I'm not like, it's not hurting me or anything. It might be because of my fat belly, but you know, I am getting a bit chunkier. This is what the hoodie looks like. Let me go back a bit. This is the front. I don't know how well you can see it. The front. As you can see, matches very well with this colour. Okay, side profile. I'm just going to move backwards forwards because I don't know where you can see. This is the hoodie, the hood up. Okay, this is side profile, front profile, my fat belly. Okay. So yeah, for the price is okay, I guess. Not bad. My size is a bit, actually, I think this is the perfect size because it goes past my hand anyway. Look at that. So yeah, it's just my fat belly, I think. So yeah, just make sure you get the size right and you should be alright. Yeah. Only thing I didn't like was the hoodie. Like dots in it, feel like dots, but it's just stitching. You can feel it when you put it on your head, especially if you got a skin fade like me. So you're gonna feel it. So yeah. Anyways, guys, let's see. Oh, that's quite comfy actually. It's very warm in there. Like this. Ah, ooh. The bag is stuck on my leg. Help me, help me. There we go. Alright. The McKenzie. Alright guys, thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel. Check out my next 2 videos. They're going to be on the Puma, Joggers, blue ones I think. Joggers and top. So yeah, thank you guys for watching. Goodbye.